discuss now spirulina. Spirulina is a filamentous micro cyanobacteria and are photoautotrophs, composed of the cylindrical cell arranged in the unbranched helicoidal trichomes. They are found in the variety environmentals such as soil, sand, marshes, brackish water, seawater, freshwater. The plantiotic species of the spirulina occurs frequently in the shallow alkaline lake of the high salinity in the entire African continent and in South America. Spirulina is a microcyanobacterium possess high value biochemical constituents that find the application in the area like the health food and the therapeutics. Spirulina species has been produced commercially all over the world due to the high content of the protein, that is having the up to 70% its protein. Ultrastructure of the spirulina is a filamentous cyanobacteria and cell wall is made up of the 4 layered. Because L1 is made up of the peptidoglycan, hence the substance that gives the cell wall is its rigidity. L1 layer contains the B1,2 glycan, a polysaccharide and not a very digestible by the human beings. The protein and the lipopolysaccharide nature of the L1 layer are favorite region for the easy human digestion of the spirulina. In the spirulina, chlorophylla, keratin and the phycobilirubin, which contain the phycocyanin, that is the blue pigment, are located in the thylakoid system, that is photosynthetic laminar. The inner thylakoid space is limited by the presence of the electronically transparent protein gas vessel with the cylindrical form that gives the spirulina its floating capacity. रिप्रोडक्शन की देखें तो स्पिरुलिना रिप्रोड्यूस ओनली बाय द एसेक्सुअली, दैट इज बाय द बाइनरी फिजन. इसमें सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन एब्सेंट होता है. बाइनरी फिजन में इट मीन्स अ लार्ज सेल्स इज स्प्लिटिंग इनटू द 2 सेल. इट इज द टाइप ऑफ द एसेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन वेयर इनसाइड द सेल अ डिवीजन develop in the middle of the organism. The division eventually completely divide the bacterium in the half and known as the cytokinesis. Each cell is now genetically identical offspring. In the binary fission, it result into the 2 identical daughter cell. Significance की बात करें तो spirulina is a natural algae cyanobacteria. Spirulina is an ideal food and dietary supplement for the 21st century by the Food and the Agriculture Organization. Spirulina powder is incredibly high in protein, that is more than 60%, and good source of the antioxidant, B vitamin and other nutrients. Spirulina is added to the numerous type of the pet food. It is the largely found made up of the protein and essential amino acid and high natural iron content. Spirulina is also found as antiviral because it has all the biochemicals in its constitution that can build a healthy immune system with the scavengers, free radical as well as the CDPDS. Extracted from the Antherospira have inhibitory activity against a wide range of viruses such as HIV-1, HSV-1-2, influenza type A, Macellus. Spirulina is also used as an anti-cancer agent and also used as a capsule and tablet as a nutrient and for the weight loss also says. Hence, spirulina has many beneficiary factor. स्पिरुलिना का अगर हम टेक्सोनोमिक अपीयर वो क्लासिफिकेशन देखें तो डिवीजन साइनोफाइटा होता है, क्लास साइनोफाइसी, ऑर्डर ऑसिलेटेरियस, फैमिली स्पाइरुलिनेसी और जीनस स्पाइरुलिना होता है. ये एक फिलामेंटस साइनोबैक्टीरिया है with a coil-like shape. 13 species are known. Spirulina is also a commercial name for the species Antherospira, previously known as the Spirulina penthatis, which is cultivated around the world as a food source, very rich source of the nutrient. It was a staple of the Asiatic cuisine. Genus is also responsible for the flamingo pink plumage. It is currently popular as a health food in the US and Europe, often taken as a dietary supplement in the form of the powder or the tablet. It has 55 to 70% protein, vitamin A, B1, B2, B3, B6, B12, vitamin C, D, E, folate, vitamin K, biotin, pantothionic acid, beta-carotenoid, inositol, minerals as calcium, magnesium, iron, phosphorus, molybdenum, iodine, chloride, magnesium, sodium, zinc, potassium, geranium, copper, boron. वेजिटेटिव स्ट्रक्चर की बात करें तो मल्टीसेलुलर फिलामेंटस साइनोबैक्टीरिया है. अंडर द माइक्रोस्कोप इट अपीयर एज अ ब्लू ग्रीन फिलामेंटस composed of the cylindrical cell arranged in the unbranched thylakoid trichome. The filaments are the motile gliding along their axis. Heterocysts are the absent. Helical shape of the trichome is the characteristics of the genus, but the helical parameter vary with the species and even within the same species. Helical shape is maintained only in the liquid medium. Cell structure. The diameter of the cell ranges from 1 to 3 micrometer in the smaller species and from 3 to 12 micrometer in the larger. The larger species have a granular cytoplasma containing the gas vacuole and the septa. Cell wall is made up of the fold layer. The cell contains the phycocyanin, chlorophyll, carotenoids, mycoxanthophyll, zeaxanthin, cryptoxanthin, xanthophiles, glycolipids, sulfolipids, and the polysaccharides. The life cycle of the spirulina in the laboratory culture is simple by the Harmogonia. A mature trichome is broken into the several pieces through the formation of the specialized cell Nicadia that undergoes the lysis, giving rise to the bioconcave separation disc. The fragmentation of the trichome at the Nicodia produces the gliding short chain, the Harmogonia, which give rise to the new trichome. During this process, the cytoplasma appears less granulated and the cells assume a pale blue color. The number of the cells in the Harmogonia increases by the cell division, while the cytoplasma becomes granulated and the cells assume the brilliant blue-green algae. By the process, trichomes increase in the length and assume the typical helicoid shape. Thank you.